You're gonna wanna watch this video. In this video today, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to find a product, and you can even use this product for yourself if you wanna do it. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to validate if it's a niche you wanna hop into. Once we validate that, then we'll go ahead and we're gonna find a manufacturer. Once we found a manufacturer, we got their cost and what it's gonna be. Then we're gonna take the ASIN of that product, bring it over to Amazon's calculator, find out their cost, what they're gonna charge you to sell the product on the platform. We're gonna take all that information, we're gonna drop into a Google Sheet, then validate if this is something that's gonna make us money or not make us money to know if you should move forward. And if it is something you move forward, then we're gonna talk about then taking that same concept and then duplicating it, because now you got a relationship with a manufacturer. You can just say, hey, manufacturer, now I got this, here's my new design, make another one. Make another one, make another one. Next thing you know, you got multiple listings on Amazon generating you money while you're sleeping. If you like this video, we're releasing a new one out every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, as well as hit the subscription button below. And if there's a video you want me to make for you, leave a comment below and I'll make one for you. All right, let's learn together.
What Logan does is help people take great ideas and execute on them.
Okay, like I said before, each week, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, I'm gonna walk you through a scenario of finding a product, then validating if you should hop into it or not, finding any manufacturer, then we're gonna take the numbers, drop it into a Google Sheet, and we're gonna see, okay, is this something we jump into? Is it not something we should jump into? How much money you have potential, I use the word potential, to make per month and then per year. And then if you were to duplicate that as into 1 product, 5 products, 10 products, 15 products, and so on and so forth. If there's something you want me to make a video about, make a comment below and I'll make a video about it for you. As well as hit the subscription button and keep learning with me, all right? Now let's look at my screen here. So I was searching for paper plates, obviously. We're having a little get together and I started thinking, well, what are different things that people are searching for? And I started to discover that flamingo paper plates was something that people were searching for when I was using my merchant words, which I'll type it over here. Merchant words, all right, flamingo paper plates. And if you look in here, I mean, it's got some search volume. It's not crazy high, but you know, it is evergreen, which is a big thing. You want to see evergreen, evergreen. You have some seasonal here, then evergreen. Flamingo paper plates and napkins, pink flamingo paper plates. So it's got a mixture of seasonal and as well as evergreen, which, you know, it makes me feel good that it does have the evergreen in there, because I do have some search terms that we can use for that. But here's what I wanted to show you, which is here. All right, so this is what showed up here. All right, low reviews. So it looks like it'd be very easy to hop into. You know, I mean, 15, 19, 97 seems to be the highest, 14, 31, 26. I mean, these are all very 126, which is a new high for it. 0, but it's very young and easy to get into rank-wise, because you're not fighting against a lot of people that have high reviews, which would then give that customer quote-unquote safety, knowing that people don't have to say, well, this person's got 1,000 reviews and you have 0 reviews, so I feel uncomfortable buying from you. I'm gonna buy a person with 1,000 reviews. All you gotta really focus on is making sure you have really good pictures, and you focus on your back-end analytics, and you also then focus on your key term targeting for your PPC. So let's take a look and see what these people are making. So this is a helium extension, all right? And if you wanna use this, I have a coupon code. I'll put it in the description below. But here, okay, so this person right here is making 11,873. This person's doing 2,300, just shy of 1,800, 4,200, 4,900, 3,500, 12,000, 4,600. Let's see if we can. There you go. I mean, 100. That's crazy. This is not going to be relevant for us. Okay, so you see that there's some decent revenue here. This guy seems to be doing pretty good, 11,873, and then this person, which is 12,000, okay? This one right here is Amazon's choice, has 97 rating, which is good. It's still very young for you to hop into it. They're offering 16 guests, 48 pieces, all right? And is there anything special about this? I mean, to me personally, it looks kind of plain. Nothing really special about it at all. Very basic. They look thin, you know. Nothing exciting about this, but they're charging $17.99. This is where you would come through and say, can I make something better than this? What I would do if I were you, I would go onto Google and I would type in paper plates, see, get some inspiration, like this is really cute. What I would do is just kind of browse around, see if you can make something better. Do drawings of flamingos, and I would find what you really like in here. 5 or 6 different ones that you really like. I would then bring it to Fiverr.com. All right, and let's say custom drawings. And I would take all 5 of those different drawings that you really liked and design that you really liked. I'd bring it to someone on here and say, look, this is what I like. Can you morph that together? And I would say, okay, well, I like the head here. I like the color on this one. I like how this one is bending over or standing straight up. And have them custom make something for you. And you can have it done, look, $5, $20, $10, $30, $40. I mean, it's kind of jumping up and down, but it's not that expensive. I would have them make a custom design for you, and then you can own the quote unquote IP for that. Once you have that custom design here, then I would go over and file a copyright so that no one else can copy that. So now you have custom design, you've copyrighted it, then you've gone ahead and added protection to your IP on that. Now, I'm kind of jumping ahead of myself because I get very excited about stuff like this for the sense that I think that this has got potential for it. Solely just for the fact that this person's so young in their reviews, it was showing that they were making, I mean, that's decent money. That they were making decent money here, right? $11,873 a month. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's see their sales cycle. Okay, they've just been trending up. Again, they're a young company. Let's see here, 1 year. All right, so they went up and they went down, or up and then down. Why do they go up and down like that? Let's do lifetime. Okay, so it looks as if July, okay, so this theoretically could be a seasonal product. Now, it doesn't mean they're not getting sales. Look, they're still getting sales throughout the year. It's just they're really getting high sales in the summertime. People are probably doing picnics, outside birthday parties, but there's still some income to be made throughout the rest of the year on this. It's not like you're buying a pool float and then trying to sell it in December. People are still using this, and it's evident here because this shows the sales here, which is good. All right, so it will be a niche that will make you a decent amount of money during the summertime, but then will still sustain you throughout the winter time as well. And it's something you're gonna add in. Okay, I have this product here, now I'm gonna add another product, another product, another product, and then next thing you know, you built a nest of just income generating channels. So next I would do is, let's see if we can find a manufacturer. Okay, so here's flamingos. Now, remember how I said before, we can go to Fiverr, we can have someone custom make a design. This person right here is having their own design put on here. What I would do is I would contact this person, all right, which is, you're looking at 4 cents here or 3 cents here if you order that many, which is that's 100,000, okay? That's a lot, but it's not a lot of money, all right? So what I would do for this then is it's safe to say, what size plate is this? 9 inches. All right, so 9 inches, 7 inches, and then 16 napkins. So what I would do with this person, like I said before, is I would take your design, I would contact them, give them the design, say, look, I want to have this printed on there. Now they're charging 4 cents for a 9-inch plate. Now it shows here that they have 9-inch, I'm going to assume this is 7-inch, and napkins as well. So if they're charging 4 cents for the largest size, it's safe to say that the smaller sizes are going to be in the same area, if not cheaper, but let's assume they're all 4 cents. And let me bring an Excel sheet over here for you. Okay, so what I would do then is, let's take a look back over here to this. All right, this has 16 guests, 48 pieces. So I would take the 4 cents, take product cost, equal 0.04, and I would times it by 48 pieces. Again, this is a guesstimate. I mean, obviously, you're gonna take the time to contact the manufacturer, get a total price, but to assume that all the rest of it costs about 4 cents, since the plate, the 9-inch plate, was the larger size, and they also had a 7-inch plate and then napkins, which are smaller, it's safe to assume that. We could even just, let's say for this scenario, bump it up to 5 cents. 5 cents, so we have 48 pieces at 5 cents, even though it's quoted 4 cents on there, and that would be completed as a set. So it would cost you $2.40 per set that you're gonna purchase from them, all right? Now, they're selling it here for $17.99. So it sells for $17.99. Now I've already pre-calculated a couple things in here, such as returns. I always put a return percentage in there. If you're gonna have a 2% return, it's safe to say that it's gonna roughly cost you about 36 cents, because that would be 2% return based off of the total sales price. And then you have shipping. I have import cost, which is 30 cents per item. It could be a little bit less, it could be a little bit more, but it's roughly gonna be in that area, probably a little bit less. Then you're gonna have your product cost, which we just did the math right there. Now you're gonna have your Amazon shipping cost, and you're gonna have your junk fees, which I'm gonna get into the Amazon charge, Amazon shipping costs in just a second. Junk fees, that's just something I added myself, just because as you're starting to build your product line, this will start adding up more, and then it'll start covering the costs such as things for your website, for ClickFunnels, your operating costs, you're paying for your Amazon subscription package, so on and so forth. So it's good to put junk fees in there. Sometimes you want to maybe put 2%, but 1% I think is fine just for this scenario here. Ads, obviously you want to pay less in ads as possible, but it's safe to say you're going to spend at least 15% in ads. That's where that comes in right there. Right now you're looking at $12.05 profit margin. But it's gonna change in just a second. Watch this. So let's go ahead and go to Amazon calculator. Continue as guest, and then we're gonna go back over here, and we're gonna find this person's ASIN. Now, an ASIN for product is, I like to say, it's kind of like a social security number, because they're unique to each individual product. So, all right, perfect. Okay, so this is gonna sell for $17.99 and $17.99. We're doing this because we're gonna match their price just for this scenario here, so we can get a cost of what Amazon's gonna charge you. Okay, all right, so Amazon seller fees is $2.70. So Amazon charges you that, so we'll put that here. All right, and then Amazon's fulfillment costs are $4.90. Okay, so now once we did that, we got a general idea of what our true profit is, because everything's backed out here. All right, we're looking at making $4.45. If we sold 200 units per month, it's $890.34. So let's take a look at this again. And how many units is this person selling? This person's selling 660 units per month. Okay, so our scenario here is a third of what they're selling at. So it's safe to say we're probably gonna do better than that, but we're gonna just keep it at the 200, because you're gonna have some pitfalls. So you're gonna have the high part of the seasonal year, which you saw in the illustration before, and then you're gonna have your low parts of the years, which you're still having sales. So I feel comfortable for this product putting 200 sales per month, although sometimes it will come out to be 600 sales like the other person have. Let's just see what it looks like. I mean, that's great. But so for one product, just to say that we're gonna do 200 sales per month, okay, you're looking at a yearly profit of one product of $10,684.32. All right, that's a monthly profit of $890.36. Now, if you were to take this same scenario, and on the right-hand side, you can see right here, and you put 5 products like that, 53,000, 10 products, 106,000, 15 products, 160,000, 20 products, 213,000, okay? But how are you gonna find 5 products, 10 products, 15 products, 20 products? It's just searching. It's searching, it's all it's gonna do. Look, let's look at something else here. Since we're on the paper plate theme, right? Let's look at baby shower. Baby shower paper plates. Okay, so we have baby shower paper plates, 480, 25, 122, 36. Okay, so this still is a young niche as well. All right, let's take this here, copy, and let's go ahead and hop over here and see if there's some search volume. Now, the thing about this here is this will be all year round because people are having babies all year round. Look at the search volume's higher. Okay, that's good. Now let's go back over to here and let's see what the income is like in this. Okay, so 17,000, 33,000. What does this person look like? Okay, so, and it's $24.99, and this person's got 480 reviews. Still, it's still a young company. We're not in the thousands yet, but it just lets you know that, you know, even though we just found one product, which was the flamingo, we just now looked at another one, baby showers. And as you build that relationship with that factory and you say, hey, I want flamingo stuff. Now I want to then get baby shower stuff. Maybe you want to do 4th of July things. Again, that's a seasonal part, but maybe you want to do just regular birthday, baby boy birthday plates. Okay, again, a young niche here. Still very young. These people are not in the thousands at all. This is something I would definitely feel comfortable hopping into. And let's take a look and see the income in this one. 17,000, 13,000, okay? And this is gonna be evergreen. Let's see 17,000 on this one. This person seems to be going down. There's gotta be a reason for that. Let's see, this is 30 days, so let's go look at all time. Why is that person doing this? Let's take a look at them. Okay, very basic. Okay, this can be the reason why. People are probably looking. It looks like they had higher reviews, and they might have been just in this niche a little bit longer. But as other products are coming out, and people are seeing those, let's see, like there's some better ones out there. Okay, this is cuter than that. This is very basic. No wonder they're starting to decline in sales. This is cute. This is cute. They kind of bit off their theme here. This, I mean, you can theoretically hop into this niche. Like this is cute here, all right? You can theoretically hop in this niche and come up with a better design. It's now just coming out with a better design than what someone else had, and then taking those sales, taking that piece of the pie, and then just creating that relationship with the factory and just turning more and more products. We just found 3 different things you can hop into right then and there. So back to this scenario over here, where this one was making 890 bucks. The other niches we just looked at, they were making more. So theoretically, you could be looking at larger sales off that. What I'm getting at is that there's a lot of different things you can look into. It's not just, hey, who's got a cell phone charger, or who's selling you mugs, or who's doing that protein shakers and water bottles. You can literally just look at things where you just put your design on it, remake something that's a little bit more attractive so that it's more appealing to the eye, and dominate it day in and day out. Look, if you like this video, hit the subscription button below. If you want to see me make a video for you, go ahead and leave a comment below about what kind of video you want to see. If you have a product that you're like, hey Logan, can you analyze it for me? I'm gonna analyze it, I'm gonna share it with everyone else, so be sure that that's something you want me to do. But I will dive into that and I will share it here on YouTube. As well as if you want to join a group of like-minded individuals like yourself and myself who are trying to share free information day in and day out, join our group. It's Amazon FBA Innovators. There's a link in the description below. Join the group. We're sharing day in and day out information all the time. Also, if you want to learn more about how to do private labeling, trademarks, and patents, there's a link below as well. I'm giving out a free cheat sheet that's sharing all that information. I'm more than happy to share it with you. Keep learning with me, and I'll see you on the other side.
That's what it's all about. Great ideas married with executional skills, and that's what Logan John is all about.